Okay, so the next step here is to take the game a little bit further, and we're going to make a random number which will compare the random number with the elapsed time, see if we pressed enter at the right time. So we're going to have to import another library here, and we're going to import the random library. So if we just type in that, that will give us everything we need. And we're going to generate a random number, which I'm just going to call rand num, and we'll just put rand int and then the two numbers between the range that we want to generate. So random numbers between 1 to 5 will be assigned to rand num. Okay, we can check this with a little print statement, print rand num, see if it is generating a random number. So let's just test that. Okay, 5, good, so that looks positive, and let's just run it again. Okay, it's generated 5 again. Let's try again. Oops. Cool, okay, so it's generating random numbers, that's fine, we can just get rid of that for the moment. And down here we need a conditional to compare the random number with the time elapsed. So if we do something like if rand num is equal to elapsed, then print you pressed the button at the right time. Okay, and else print you didn't press the button. Okay, so let's bring in that print statement so we know what number we need to press it at. So print press enter after after rand num. Okay, so what this should do is tell us when to press enter, and it will compare if we've done it right here down the bottom. So let's test it out. Okay, press enter after 1. Oh, 1 second, that was a quick one. You pressed the button at the right time, so the two matched. So the random number here and the elapsed time here. So we got it right. So let's run it again, check what happens if we get it wrong. Press the button, press enter after 2 seconds, so let's wait more than 2 seconds. It should say you didn't press the button at the right time. And it didn't. Good. Okay, so we've got the basics of our darts game here. So the next step is to figure out how to add a scoring system depending on how closely we press the enter key to the elapsed time.